Hi guys and welcome to the video. Now I've got a brand new competition starting today for an amazing product called VideoReel. Now VideoReel launches on the 23rd of February and it'll help you get more engagement for your videos, create better videos. But I'll give you a full walkthrough of VideoReel on the 23rd of February. I'll give you a full review and show you what it does. Now in this competition you can win a copy of VideoReel, plus you can win a copy of my bonus pack. Now my bonus pack, as always, is amazing. We've got a brand new product in there called the Smarty Builder. Now Smarty Builder helps you get your own digital empire set up. It helps you create the delivery, the thank you, everything that you need to resell your own products. So if you've ever purchased any of my reseller packs, this is going to help you start reselling those products straight away. Now it plugs in with PayPal, Stripe, Paystack, Razorpay, some others. Now everything's done for you in there. It has the delivery, the thank you, the forms, everything's already set up. It even has a QR code that you can use that people can scan and it'll take you across to the product. I'll give you a look inside that as well on the 23rd, but we've got some extras for Smarty Builder. We've got the Smarty Builder reseller. We've got the Smarty Done For You products. So there's 10 products there you can instantly add to the Smarty Builder. Plus we've got Smarty Traffic as well. So you've got the whole kind of everything there that you need. You've got the products, you've got the way to deliver it, you've got the traffic, and you've got the resellers for that as well. Plus I've got a ton more bonuses on top of those as well. So it's a huge bonus pack and it's for VideoReel. Now turn to the competition, just comment on this video, like and share the video, then subscribe to the channel if you would, and I'll pick the winner on the 23rd. Now if you also want the free downloads, just check out the description below. In the description there's a link across to my pre-sale bonus page. On there you can see the downloads right at the bottom of the page. Claim those, and you can also see a small preview of the bonus that I'll be offering on the 23rd. So thanks for watching, make sure that you enter the competition, and I'll see you on the 23rd when this goes live. So thanks for watching, watch for the next video.